Why does your scanner show the P0684 engine code? What does it mean? P0684 is a diagnostic trouble code for glow plug module control to PCM Communication Circuit Range or performance. This engine code indicates that this communication circuit fault can lead to an implausible signal being detected by the PCM, potentially causing hard starts, especially in cold weather, and triggering the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Wiring and connectors. Faulty glow plug control module, GPCM. Blown fuses or fusible links. Defective glow plugs. Faulty PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen and Audi models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.